Have you ever picked up a rock and wondered, what if this ordinary-looking stone was actually worth thousands of dollars? Most people never ask that question. They walk across deserts, they hike through mountains, they search along rivers, and they leave behind rocks that collectors would fight to own. Because some of the most valuable stones on Earth don't look valuable at all. They don't shine like gold. They don't announce their presence. They hide in plain sight, waiting for someone with the knowledge to recognize them. And today, we're uncovering 10 incredible rocks found in the United States that many people ignore, but experts know their true worth. In this documentary, you'll discover the hidden world of America's most fascinating rocks. You'll learn how these rare stones form deep inside Earth, where they can be found, why collectors pay incredible prices for them, and how a simple-looking rock can become a geological treasure. We begin with number 10 and count down to the stone that proves one important truth. Sometimes, knowledge is more valuable than gold. Number 10. Turquoise. A simple blue-green stone. At first glance, it may look ordinary. A weathered piece of turquoise might have cracks, a dull surface, and no obvious sign of value. But for thousands of years, humans have recognized its beauty. Ancient civilizations used turquoise for jewelry, decoration, and symbols of power. Its famous blue-green color comes from copper. Turquoise forms when copper-rich groundwater reacts with minerals containing aluminum and phosphorus in dry environments. Over millions of years, these chemical reactions create this unique gemstone. In the United States, some of the most famous deposits are found in Arizona, Nevada, and New Mexico. But what makes turquoise valuable? It is not only the color. Collectors look for deep blue shades, beautiful natural patterns, and stones with excellent quality. Common turquoise may sell for around $1 to $10 per carat. Better quality turquoise can reach $50 to $300 per carat. And rare, high-grade turquoise can exceed $1,000 per carat. A stone that many people ignore can sometimes become a valuable treasure. But turquoise is only the beginning, because the next rock hides something that appears only when light hits it perfectly. Number 9. Star garnet. At first, this stone looks almost black. Nothing special, nothing rare. But under the right light, something incredible appears. A glowing star. This is star garnet, a gemstone with a natural optical effect called asterism. Tiny internal structures inside the crystal reflect light and create a star-shaped pattern. It almost looks like a symbol trapped inside the stone. One of the rarest sources in the world is Idaho. The value depends heavily on the strength of the star. Standard star garnet may sell for around $50 to $200 per carat. Fine examples with a strong, clear star effect can reach $500 to $1,500 per carat. Large collector-quality specimens can be worth even more. But if the star effect is weak, the value can drop dramatically. And the next gemstone is even rarer. Number 8. Benitoite. Deep electric blue, almost glowing. Benitoite is one of the most unusual gemstones ever discovered. It looks similar to sapphire, but its story is completely different. Under ultraviolet light, some benitoite crystals glow with a bright blue fluorescence. This gemstone forms under extremely rare geological conditions involving elements like barium and titanium. The famous source is San Benito County, California. Because of its extreme rarity, small benitoite gemstones can sell for around $1,000 to $3,000 per carat. Fine gem-quality stones commonly reach $4,000 to to $10,000 plus per carat. Exceptional crystals with perfect color and clarity can command even higher prices among collectors. A gemstone almost unknown to the public, but highly prized by experts. And the next stone is one of Earth's rarest red gems. Number 7. Red beryl. It looks like a ruby. It has the color of fire. But finding one is incredibly difficult. Red beryl is among the rarest gemstones on Earth. Its formation requires an almost impossible combination of geological events. The right minerals, the right temperature, the right pressure, and the right chemical environment. It forms in volcanic regions where mineral-rich fluids create small pockets inside rocks. Most crystals are tiny, many are too small to cut. But when a beautiful gem-quality crystal is discovered, its value can be extraordinary. Small red beryl gems may sell for around $2,000 to $5,000 per carat. Fine quality stones can exceed $10,000 per carat. Large, clean crystals are among the most valuable collector gemstones in America. In Utah, a tiny piece of red beryl could be worth a fortune. Number 6. Jadeite. Smooth, dense, green. To many people, Jadeite may look like an ordinary green rock, but this stone has been treasured for thousands of years. Jadeite is the most valuable form of jade. Its beauty comes from its color, texture, and incredible toughness. It forms deep underground under extreme pressure conditions, a process that takes millions of years. Rare jadeite occurrences have been found in places like California. The price depends on color, transparency, texture, and quality. Lower quality jadeite may sell for around $100 to $500 per carat. Fine jadeite can reach $1,000 to $20,000 per carat. The rarest Imperial green jadeite has reached extraordinary prices, sometimes exceeding $100,000 per carat. To an untrained eye, it may look like just another green stone, but to collectors, it can be priceless. And we are only halfway through. The next stones become even more unusual and much harder to find. Number 5. Montana sapphire. Imagine finding a dull gray pebble beside a river. Most people would ignore it. They would walk past it, never knowing what was hidden inside. But that ordinary-looking stone could actually be a sapphire. Montana sapphires are famous because they can appear in many colors: blue, green, yellow, pink, and even rare shades in between. These gemstones formed millions of years ago deep inside Earth. Later, natural erosion carried them into river deposits. That means a simple-looking piece of gravel could contain something valuable. Montana is one of the most important sapphire sources in the United States. Rough Montana sapphires may sell for around $50 to $200 per carat. After cutting and polishing, gem-quality stones can reach around $500 to $3,000 per carat. Rare colors, excellent clarity, and larger sizes can command even higher prices. Uncut, they may look like ordinary pebbles, but after a skilled cutter reveals their true beauty, they can become valuable gemstones. And the next rock has something hidden inside its own structure: a natural flash of color created by copper. Number 4. Oregon Sunstone. From the outside, it may look like a simple transparent stone. Nothing unusual, nothing valuable. But place it under sunlight, and it can suddenly come alive. Oregon Sunstone is famous for its internal flashes of color. Some stones contain tiny copper particles trapped inside the crystal. Those particles create a glowing effect called aventurescence, a natural sparkle that looks almost like fire frozen inside stone. This gemstone formed inside volcanic rocks millions of years ago. as lava cooled slowly, minerals crystallized, creating these unusual treasures. Oregon is one of the world's most famous sources of sunstone. Standard quality Oregon sunstone may sell for around $50 to $300 per carat. Stones with strong colors, rare copper effects, and exceptional clarity can reach $500 to $2,000 plus per carat. The most unusual pieces can become highly desirable collector gems. A rock that looks ordinary in the ground can become a gemstone that captures the attention of collectors worldwide. But the top 3 stones on this list are where rarity and value become truly extraordinary. Number 3. Imperial topaz. Golden. Warm. Elegant. Imperial topaz is one of the most valuable varieties of topaz on Earth. Its famous colors range from golden yellow to orange to a rare pinkish-orange shade. Unlike many gemstones that attract attention because of their sparkle, Imperial topaz is admired for its rich, warm color. It forms in volcanic environments where mineral-rich fluids move through cracks and cavities inside rocks. Over time, perfect conditions allow crystals to grow. Fine Imperial topaz may sell for around $500 to $1,500 per carat. High-quality stones with exceptional color and clarity can reach $2,000 to $5,000 plus per carat. Large, rare collector-quality crystals can command even higher prices. And the surprising part? Before cutting, an Imperial topaz crystal may look like a simple piece of glass, but after polishing, it can become a gemstone worth thousands. Only 2 stones remain, and the next one is a collector favorite from the heart of America. Number 2. Rhodochrosite, a gemstone that looks like it was painted by nature. Bright pink, with beautiful white patterns running through it. Rhodochrosite is one of the most recognizable collector minerals in the United States. It forms inside manganese-rich deposits, slowly growing over enormous periods of geological time. Colorado is famous for producing some of the world's finest rhodochrosite specimens. Its value depends on color, crystal quality, size, and rarity. Common pieces may sell for around $100 to $500 per carat. Fine gem-quality rhodochrosite can reach $1,000 to $5,000 plus per carat. Large, clean, beautifully formed crystals are extremely rare. Some exceptional collector specimens have sold for tens of thousands of dollars. To most people, it may look like a colorful rock, but to mineral collectors, it can be a once-in-a-lifetime discovery. But there is still one stone left. The final rock on our list. The one that proves some of Earth's greatest treasures can hide in the most unexpected places. Number 1. Fire opal. It does not simply reflect light. It appears to contain fire. Fire opal is one of nature's most dramatic creations. Its orange and red colors create a glowing effect that looks almost alive. Unlike traditional opals that are famous for rainbow flashes, fire opal gets its beauty from its intense body color. It forms when silica-rich water enters volcanic cavities. Over time, the water evaporates, leaving behind layers of silica that create this unique gemstone. In the United States, important deposits are found in Nevada. Basic fire opal may sell for around $100 to $500 per carat. High-quality stones with strong color and clarity can reach $1,000 to $5,000 per carat. The rarest examples, with exceptional color and beauty, can exceed $10,000 per carat. And yet, before cutting and polishing, many fire opals look like ordinary rocks. A person walking through the desert might see nothing special, but an experienced collector sees something completely different. A hidden treasure. Gold is valuable because people recognize it, But these rocks are different. Their value is hidden. They don't announce themselves. They don't shine from the ground. They wait for someone with knowledge. Because the difference between an ordinary rock and a valuable discovery is not always what you see. It is what you know. The Earth is filled with incredible treasures, but only those who understand geology can recognize them. So next time you pick up a strange-looking rock, ask yourself, what if this isn't just a rock? What if it is a hidden story waiting to be discovered? If you want to learn how experts identify valuable rocks in the wild, subscribe. Because in the next documentary, we'll reveal the geological clues that most people walk past every day, but experienced prospectors use to uncover hidden treasures.